डियर स्टूडेंट, आई वेलकम्स यू ऑन माथ्रू एजुकेशन हब। जैसा कि हम लोग जानते हैं, पिछले वीडियो में हम लोगों ने मैट्रिक्स के बारे में सीखा था। वहाँ पर हम लोगों ने डेफिनेशन ऑफ मैट्रिक्स, प्रॉपर्टीज़ ऑफ मैट्रिक्स, टाइप्स ऑफ मैट्रिक्स और एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ मैट्रिक्स पढ़ा था। दिस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियो, ओके, फॉर मैट्रिक्स। Here we discuss these topics. First is product of matrix. Second is pre and post multiplication of matrix. Third is kind of matrix: idempotent matrix, periodic matrix, nilpotent matrix, and involutory matrix. Next, transports of a matrix: symmetric matrix, skew symmetric matrix, orthogonal matrix, conjugate matrix. Next, conjugate transpose of a matrix: Hermitian matrix, skew Hermitian matrix, unitary matrix, adjoint of a matrix, and inverse of a matrix. These two are very important in numerical: adjoint of a matrix and inverse of a matrix. Okay, now let's start. First is product of matrix. Let A and B are two matrix. Element of A is denoted by Aij and is of order m cross n, and order of B is n cross p. We can see first column of first matrix is same as first row of first matrix. That is, my product is possible. Okay, let product of matrix A and B is represented by C having element Cij, where Cij can be written as sigma k equal 1 to n aik plus into bkj. Okay, this is represent the product of rows and columns, that is my product of two matrices. Now take an example. Let matrix A having element A11, A12, A21 and A22 of order 2 cross 2, and other matrix B having element V11, B12, B21 and B22, now of order 2 into cross 2. Now product of A dot B, according to definition of product of element Cij, we take first row of first matrix and first column of second matrix, that is A11 into B11 plus A12 into B21, that is A11 B11 plus A12 B21. This is the place of C12. Here we can see C12 means first row second column. Take these element A11 B12 plus A12 B22. This is C21, second row first column. We take second row and first column. element, this element is A21 B11 plus A22 B21, and the last, this is C22, means second row second column, second row of first matrix and second column of second matrix, that is A21 B12 plus A22 B22. Order is 2 cross 2. This is the product of two matrices A and B. Very easy. Okay, next, pre and post multiplication of matrices. Very easy. Let there are two matrices A B, their product is A dot B. Here A is known as pre product of in matrix B, pre product of matrix B. Okay, and A dot B, here B is the post multiplication in matrix A, वाइस वर्सा. बहुत ही आसान है, समझ सकते हैं हम लोग. हम क्या बोलेंगे यहाँ पर, A का गुणा B में प्री प्रोडक्ट बोला जाएगा यहाँ पर, और यहाँ पर B का गुणा A में पोस्ट प्रोडक्ट बोल सकते हैं हम लोग. ठीक है, या फिर इसको सेकंड वे में ऐसे डिस्क्राइब कर सकते हैं, A B and B A. Here multiplication of A is pre-form in B and multiplication of A in this is post multiplication in matrix B. Okay, कोई भी डाउट होता है कमेंट कर सकते हो आप लोग. Kind of matrices, there are 4 kind of matrices. First is idempotent matrix. This is very easy. If product of a matrix with itself gives A square equal A square equal A. For example, unit matrix 1 1 1 1 multiplied by 1 0. We can take further an example for this. Now second is periodic matrix. A matrix A power k plus 1 equal A. Then k is known as period of matrix A and known as periodic matrix with period k. Okay, take A cube equal A. We can write it A power 2 plus 1 equal A. Then k, value of k is 2, that is period of matrix A is 2. Okay, आवर्त आव्यूह बोलते हैं यहाँ पे इसको. nilpotent matrix, any matrix when multiply k times of A or A power k equal null matrix, then this is known as nilpotent matrix. If any matrix hold this property, means A power k equal 0, but A power k minus 1 not equal to 0, then value of k define nilpotent matrix. And the last is involutory matrix. If product of a matrix itself gives identity matrix I, then this is known as involutory matrix. Next, transpose of a matrix. Let A is a matrix okay 1 2 3 3 2 5 1 6 7. Transpose of a matrix represented by A dash or A power t. To find transpose of a matrix, we change rows into column. 1 2 3 write as column of matrix. 3 2 5 1 6 7. This is the example of transpose of matrix. परिवर्त अवयव. ओके. सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स, सममित अवयव, विषम सममित अवयव. ठीक है. लांबिक अवयव एंड कॉन्जुगेट मैट्रिक्स इज नोन एज संयुग्मी अवयव. सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स, सममित अवयव. इफ एनी मैट्रिक्स so this property A dash equal A means transpose of a matrix equal to the matrix. This is known as symmetric matrix. For example, take A B C F G H. Now find, this is A. Now find A dash for this. That is, we have to change rows into column. H G H B F and G F C, same as A. This matrix is known as symmetric matrix. We can generate any matrix of this structure. Take, for example, 1 2 3 4 4 5 5 6 6. This is A. Then A dash is what? 1 6 5 6 2 4 5 4 3. We can see both are same. That is symmetric matrix. Similarly, if any matrix have the property A dash equal minus A, then that matrix is known as skew symmetric matrix. Orthogonal matrix, any matrix have property A dash dot A equal I. This matrix is known as orthogonal matrix. This matrix is known as orthogonal matrix. Lambik अवयव. Okay. If any matrix which is complex or imaginary, take A equal x plus iy u minus iv A minus ib and z plus iw, then conjugate matrix is represented by A bar. That is, write the conjugate of each element of matrix A. X minus iy, u plus iv, A plus ib, z minus iw. This is the conjugate matrix of matrix A. संयुग्मी अवयव. बहुत आसान है. आगे देखते हैं अब. नेक्स्ट, conjugate transpose of a matrix. Okay, this is defined by A dash of a matrix with bar. For a matrix A, we have to find first transpose of that matrix and then conjugate. Okay. हर संयुग्मी परिवर्त अवयव, हर्मिशन मैट्रिक्स, इसके हिंदी भी हर्मिशन मैट्रिक्स ही होती है. If any matrix have property A dash bar, equal A, then that matrix is known as Hermitian matrix. In some book, this conjugate transpose is denoted by A power bada theta, big theta. Okay, that is for Hermitian matrix A power theta equal A. Skew Hermitian matrix A power theta equal minus A, then the matrix is known as skew Hermitian matrix. It is always complex, this and this, because here we can see conjugate, we can define conjugate for this. Unitary matrix, any matrix multiplied by its conjugate transpose and gives identity matrix, then that matrix is known as unitary matrix. Okay, adjoint of a matrix and inverse of a matrix we will see in next video. Okay, because these are big topics. For any doubt, comment in comment box. Thank you being with us.